Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and this is all about my haul at Marshall's, so stay tuned. As you guys know, we dive right in here. So I hadn't been to Marshall's in quite a bit, and I needed to get some things for the household. So I got a couple of things for Quincy, some dog toys, things like that. And then I said, okay, well, let me check it out, because I always see Laura Lee going to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Target, and picking up some makeup. So I said, let me see what I can find. So here we go. Okay, I didn't get a lot, but I did get some things. I do love Marshall's and TJ Maxx. I love to support them. So let me take everything out of the bag, my little Marshall's bag. Yes, so, okay, here we go. So first of all, I wanted to let you guys know I am considering starting my own eyelash brand. I love eyelashes and I get so many compliments. And so instead of me, always naming a different product that I'm wearing, these here are by Root Cosmetics. It's a Korean 3D mint fake lash. I love these. These are effortless. I love these lashes. So while I was in Marshall's, I said, okay, let me pick up a pair of eyelashes. Not that I don't have 1,000, okay, stored somewhere. So these here are by Pro Beauty. I plan on wearing them. They're very, very nice. They're wispy black. And you get 5 pair in this, and I paid $7.99. So I definitely plan on trying these, if I could ever get these off, because I'm in love with these lashes, okay? So then I thought, okay, what else can I get? So I saw Ellen Tracy, which is a nice, very affordable brand. So if you're a beauty guru and someone younger that's starting out, you don't have a lot of money, you want to buy some cosmetics, I highly recommend her brand of cosmetics. Lipstick, lip gloss, eyeliner, everything. Okay, so this one here is blendable blushes. I have not opened them. Let me open them now so I can show you what it looks like. Let me go under here. This packet here, which has like a total of 4 actual blushes in it, was $2.99. Very affordable, okay? So let me see here. Sorry about the noise. This is very nice. Let me see how to open it. Here we go. This is always the tricky part, trying to open on camera. Here you go. Beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous. I will be trying these out and I'll let you know. Blendable blushes. This is considered the Rosy Glow. Okay. All right. I'll take it. And then I thought this was like amazing. This here is actually, it's by Revolution, the makeup company. And it says Pro HD Amplified Palette. Brighter than my future. Okay, my future is pretty bright. So let's just see. And so is yours. Let me see here. Okay. And I always say this about stores. They're trying to prevent theft, but they also are preventing me from getting in the packaging to actually use it, try it on, or review it. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Let me open it up so there's not a glare. Wow. 8 different shades. Look at it. Oh my God. Let me do a swatch. I don't even know what to do. I'm going to do the one that says Shook, honey. That's the name of it. And I'm like, okay. Wow. And you kind of blend it out. I guess you could use one or the other. Quite nice. It's gorgeous. You may not be able to see it as well as I'd like you to on camera, but it is gorgeous. So some of the names, I think they're really cute. So it's Slay, Poser, Yas, Lit, Shook, which I am shook by this, honey, Snatched, Extra, and Bougie. Okay, look at this. You guys, this is gorgeous. This will last me forever. Forever with all these beautiful shades. Okay, and the price, drum roll, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Drum roll, I kid you not. $5.99. 5, not 7. $5.99. Okay, loving it, loving it, loving it. And you guys, as you know, I'm addicted to lashes. So here we go. This is by The Beauty Shop. And once again, it was at Marshall's. They have some beautiful lashes here. You get 6 pairs of lashes. And this, $4.99. It even tells you on the back actually how to apply. And as you guys know, I'm into this whole keto thing. No carbs, no sugar. I'm doing really, really good at that. So everywhere I go, I'm trying to find this and just really let you guys know what I find and to help everybody out if at all possible. This here, it's Fuel Your Body, Fuel Your Brain, the Keto Creamer I got at Marshall's. And it says with MTC oil, pumpkin spice sweetened with coconut sugar. And this is vegan. So, hello. Suggested use. Stir 2 teaspoons into 6 to 8 ounces of hot coffee, tea, or blended beverage. Hello. Keto. And it was $6.99. All right, you guys. I'm telling you, Marshall's is the place. And I will give a full disclosure. I did pick up a new pillow for my studio. And I'm going to try and pull it out here. Because I love being comfortable while I'm filming. And this I got at Marshall's. It's gigantic. The pack, it had 2 identical pillows. So this is so nice. So I'm so nice and comfy while I'm filming, since I'm filming all the time. And I love it. It came in a 2-pack of pillows. So 2 the exact same size. I have the other one over there for Quincy's pleasure. And this pair of pillows was $29.99. Okay, in most places, 1 is like $50. So I was so happy. And Marshall's is my spot. Trust and believe. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know your thoughts about Marshall's and go check them out. But of course, also, click the JB and join this happy little family. Click the bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check out my beauty blog at Jacqueline's Beauty. And please leave a comment, and we'd love to have you a part of this family, so don't forget to click the JB. Also, I'm starting to give shout outs to people that have been so supportive to me and some new up-and-coming YouTubers. So this is Kyra Monet. Her name is spelled K-Y-R-A. Last name is M-O-N-E''T. Monet, hey! Kyra, shout out to you, girl. All right, keep up the good work. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.